At Expedited Service Partners, we are redefining worksite solutions. So, what are worksite solutions? Worksite solutions are providing a project with the people and equipment to get a job done in the most efficient, successful way possible. At ESP, we provide 24/7 solutions for job site challenges. We offer a dedicated team of global industry experts for every project we are on. Our experts are available 24/7 from start to finish on a job to address any challenges that may arise. We provide the top-of-the-line worksite equipment for our projects, specializing in power generation, rapid climate control, heavy equipment, and temporary fencing. We will set up your project and continue to help run your job site and equipment needs to assist in the successful completion of your project. Work sites are full of unexpected hazards. At ESP, we anticipate the unexpected. With our contingency planning services, we ensure you have a backup plan when challenges arise. ESP, your solution to all worksite needs. No matter what project scope, what market, we are here to help. 24/7, 365 days a year.